CTV's Mason DePatie is tracking the story for us and joins us now live from Calgary. Mason, thanks so much for your time this morning. What's happening in court with Hudson's Bay today?
Well, Scott, depending on the judge's decision, the company could start a liquidation process, well, as soon as today. The 355-year-old company is almost 200 years older than Canada itself. Ontario court filings show the company owes almost $1 billion to its creditors, which includes landlords, suppliers, and fashion companies. It does have a few requests before the court, including an extension of its CCAA protection. It's also looking for approval for $20-some million in short-term DIP financing. That money would be used to keep the stores open in the interim for its liquidation process. That liquidation sale would last until mid-June, according to the company. After that, though, that would see the closure of all Bay stores, Saks Fifth Avenue locations, and Saks off Fifth locations across Canada, leaving about 9,400 employees without a job. However, there is still a little bit of optimism. The company has given itself until May to find a white knight buyer. In the meantime, a retail expert I spoke with this morning says this situation has really been a long time coming. He says the retail giants like Amazon have been chipping away business from traditional retailers like the Bay, and a lack of investment also led to the Hudson's Bay having a downward spiral. He says this will have a large hole in the Canadian retail scene. And Scott, he says it might also bruise the ego of Canadians, as like you said, this is our oldest company.
And Mason, talk to us about some of the reaction that you've heard.
Yeah, we've heard a lot of upset people here talking to shoppers. They were a little upset to see it go, but a lot of them were saying, you know, they haven't been shopping at the Bay as much as possible. But like I was saying, this is a bit of a Canadian icon, so it's sort of sad to see it go.
All right, CTV's Mason DePatie joining us live from Calgary this morning. Mason, thanks so much for your time.